1968 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 convertible. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. She can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. She got a couple of spots on the lower doors that I'll show you, but overall, she's in great condition. She has the big block 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Got a spot right there. Right there. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid is in excellent condition. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is in good shape. She have signs of being driven. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. She reached a little over 42,000. Upper dash. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Y'all have a good one.